Does your game feel delayed even when your FPS is high? If your mouse or keyboard feels less responsive, these Windows 11 settings may help reduce input lag and improve overall responsiveness. Let's go through the settings one by one. Step 1. Enable Game Mode. Open Settings, click Gaming, open Game Mode. Make sure it's turned on. Game Mode helps Windows prioritize your game and reduce unnecessary background activity while you're playing. Step 2. Use Best Performance Power Mode. Go to Settings, then System, and Power and Battery. Under Power Mode, select Best Performance when your PC is plugged in. This allows your system to prioritize performance instead of saving power. Step 3. Close background applications. Press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open Task Manager. Close unnecessary apps running in the background, especially programs using CPU, RAM, or disk resources. Fewer background tasks mean more resources available for your game. Step 4. Update your graphics driver. Whether you have an NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics card, keeping your driver up to date is important. New drivers often include game optimizations, bug fixes, and performance improvements. Step 5. Enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. Open Settings, go to System, Display, then Graphics. Click Default Graphics Settings. If your hardware supports it, enable hardware-accelerated GPU scheduling. On some systems, this can improve responsiveness and reduce latency. Bonus tip: use a wired mouse. If you're using a wireless gaming mouse, make sure it's connected with its dedicated USB receiver instead of Bluetooth whenever possible. And if you're using a wired mouse, plug it directly into a USB port on your motherboard for the most reliable connection. These settings won't completely eliminate input lag, but together they can help your system respond more quickly while gaming. If this video helped you, subscribe for more Windows, Steam, Epic Games, and PC gaming tutorials every week. Thanks for watching.